Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a link to your Threads profile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Threads app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. From your profile page, tap Edit Profile. In the Edit Profile menu, select Add Link. You can now add the link here, and then tap the tick button at the top right to confirm it. You can also import a link from your Instagram account if you have one on your profile there already. Just tap Import Link from Instagram to do it. Go check your profile page and you'll see there is now a link. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Threads tips and tricks.